everyone. Today we are gonna learn about VLOOKUP and index match formula and a case scenario where VLOOKUP actually fails to give us the correct result and the index match formula comes into light. So before we begin, let's get a brief about what these formulas are. So here, this is the VLOOKUP formula. It says lookup value. What are the value we are looking for? Table array from which data or table we want to look for this value. Column index number, that is once we found this value in this table, what is the result and from which column we have to extract the result. And then for the range lookup, it contains two things, exact or approximate. First, if you select exact, then it will exactly look for the value. If there is a spelling mistake, it will ignore. If the exact value is found, then it will show the result. Otherwise, hashtag any error will show. Let's see an example. So here, let's be let's see. So see, here we have different type of cloth prices according to their sizes. Let's suppose we have to find the price of sweater at a medium size. So first try VLOOKUP formula equals to VLOOKUP. What is the lookup value? Sweater. From which table we have to find? This table. And what is the result from what is the column from which we have to extract the result is the medium. That is 1, 2 and 3. So third column. Then equals to it says about approximate or exact match. Let's select exact match and press enter. So here, see, we got 12. That is a sweater, medium, 12. So here, VLOOKUP gives the exact value, but this is about VLOOKUP formula. Let's understand the other two. Match formula. It basically provides the number of the row number where the lookup value is located. It do not provide the lookup value or it is provide the row number where the actually value is located. So here lookup value again same but we are looking for lookup array and match type exact and approximate. The key difference here is lookup array. It should be either one row or multiple column with one row. Let's see this with an example. So let's assume we have to find the row number or column number of sweater. So equals to match lookup value sweater. So now lookup array, what we say either one row or multiple column, one row. So I'm selecting multiple rows with one column A. Match type exact enter. So see it gives me a 2. 1, 2. It provides me that it is located in the second row. What happen if we select in the table array multiple row and multiple column? That is equals to match. Look for the sweater. Lookup array, multiple row, multiple column. Match type exact. See, it's giving me an error. So do remember for match formula, table array must be one row or multiple column or one row. Let's move on to the last formula that is index. So index formula basically provide the exact value from the table array, but it by default asks us from which row we have to select the value or from which column. Basically, it asks for the row and the column and the intersect value will be your net answer. Let's see this with an example. So let's assume we have to derive the value of 40, where this is a table. So 40 is in the first, second, third row and first, second, third, fourth column. So let us see index value. Sorry, index table array. There is no condition index formula for multiple row, one column, multiple. No, full table can be selected. So selecting the table, row number 1, 2, 3 and column number 4. See what gives the 40. So this is about index. We have understood all the three formula. Now let's see how this index and match formula beats the VLOOKUP formula. Now this is the value derived by VLOOKUP formula. Let's for the sake of clarity, let's find it again. Equals to equals to VLOOKUP. What is the lookup value? Sweater. Table array, this table. We have to find the price of sweater at a medium size. So medium size is in the first, second and third column. So we will select the column 3, exact match and 12. So sweater at medium size is 12. Now what's the limitation here? Lookup value, if you see the formula, it also only contain a connection with the sweater. What if we change the size medium to large? See, it's still giving me the result 12. So that's where the VLOOKUP formula failed. Now see, this is the value derived from the index match. So we have understood the index and match formula. We have to combine both formula in order to derive this value. Let's see. Index. From where we have to find the value? From this table. So instead of putting the row number, I will use the match formula here. First, what we have to match for? Sweater. Now, do remember the condition. For lookup array, there should be single row, multiple row, single column. For this sweater, we have to look in the multiple row, single column. What type of match? Exact match. Bracket close. This is the row column. Fit. Now we have to put the column number. For column number, again we have to put the match formula. Match, but we have to look for medium. Medium either, or you should say size. Lookup array, another, again the condition multiple row, single column, or this. We are selecting multiple row and multiple column and single row. Formula type exact. Bracket close. Another bracket close. The whole formula is finished. Enter. See, sweater medium 12. Now, what we if we put select jacket medium 35. If we change the detail large 40. So here, this is how the index match formula will beat the VLOOKUP formula. So thank you for, if you like the video, do subscribe for more such informative content. Thank you.